Hello friends, in this video I will tell you how to test a SIM900A or like same any kind of GSM module. We will check this module in both hardware and software based. This is a SIM900A GSM module. The hardware test will tell us is this module communicating with network, and the software test will tell us can the module work on AT command via serial communication. Let's start. At first we will test on hardware. For this we need to connect an active SIM card on this module. Here I have an active SIM card and I am installing this SIM card into my GSM module. Okay. Then we need to connect this antenna. Ensure that the antenna is connected properly on your board. Okay. Now we need to power up this module. For this I will use this connector, and remember we must need to use a good quality power adapter to power this module. The output voltage of the adapter must be DC 5 volt and output current must be 1 or 2 ampere. Don't use any Chinese or non-brand power adapter. This will damage your GSM module. Look at here. This is an 5 volt 2.5 ampere power adapter, and the power adapter is so much good. I always use this power adapter to power my GSM module. Okay, now connect or plug it on your switchboard and connect the connector with your module. Okay, the module got power. Here look at the network status LED. The status LED is blinking on every second. If this module can set up the network successfully, then the LED will blink on every 3 seconds. Look at here, the status LED is now blink on every 3 seconds. It means that this module successfully set up its network. Now we will test using our mobile phone. Here I have dialed the number which I have connected on this board. This number is of this SIM card, and I will now dial this number on my phone. Look at here. Look at here, this LED turns off. It means that this module received a phone call or ring, and here the number is ringing. It means that while the SIM card is installed here, if the SIM card not activated, then this call will not happen. While the call is happening, it means that the SIM card is now communicating with our network, and this test means that our GSM module is fully okay on the basis of hardware. Now we will test it via software test. For this we need an Arduino Uno. We need to connect the GSM module with Arduino. We know that the GSM module communicate via serial communication, so that the RX and TX pin of the GSM will be connected with our Arduino. The RX pin of the GSM module will goes to the digital pin 2, and the TX pin of the GSM module will goes to the digital pin 3 of our Arduino. Here remember, both of these module are powering by two separated power supply. The module is powering by a 5 volt DC adapter, and the Arduino will be powered by the computer. Okay, so that we must join or short both the ground pin of this module and the Arduino. Here I am connecting the both ground pin via this jumper wire. Okay, now connect your USB cable. Now open your Arduino on your computer and let's see how we test our module via AT command. Okay friends, now we will upload a code into our Arduino to test the GSM module via software. This is the code, and I will give the download link of this code in my YouTube video description. All of you must download the file and upload it to your Arduino. I am uploading this code into my Arduino. Just wait a few seconds. Okay, the code uploaded to my Arduino board. Now click on the serial monitor here. Now the serial monitor is open. Remember, you must select here both NL and SEER, and the baud rate will be 9600. Now go to the message section and type AT in capital letter, then click on the send button or press enter. After this, the GSM module give me a feedback that okay, it means that the AT command is working and the GSM module is responding on AT command. Now if I type AT plus COPS and then a question mark and send it, it will reply the network name of my SIM card. Now look at the serial monitor again. I will call the number which I have connected on the GSM module. In the serial monitor, it's showing that ring, and hear the sound. The call is ringing, and in the serial monitor, it's showing that ring. If I cancel the call, it will show that no carrier. It means that the call doesn't received by anyone. All of these things means that the GSM module which we are using is 100% okay, and it's responding on both network and the AT command. Okay friends, I hope all of you understand how to test a GSM module. If you have any question about this video, feel free to comment us. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and share it with your friends. No more today. See you again on the next video. Till then, take care.